Stop. Before you scroll away, what if I told you that in just 5 minutes? You'll have a real Kubernetes cluster running on your laptop? No cloud account, no credit card, completely free. And by the end, you'll deploy a live application and see it running. This is exactly what DevOps engineers use in production. Let's go. Here's exactly what you're getting today. A 3-node Kubernetes cluster. 1 control plane, that's the brain that manages everything. 2 worker nodes where your applications actually run. Plus Helm for easy deployments. And an ingress controller for routing. And we'll prove it works by deploying a real Nginx server. First, let's make sure Docker is ready. Type Docker version. You need version 20.10 or higher. Got that green checkmark? Perfect. Now Docker PS to verify the daemon is running. Empty list is totally fine, we're about to fill it with Kubernetes nodes. Now the secret weapon, kind. Kubernetes in Docker. It runs entire Kubernetes clusters as Docker containers. Genius, right? Download with curl. Make it executable. Move to your path. Version check, boom. We've got kind 0.24. 2 down. Let's keep moving. Next up, Kubernetes. This is your remote control for Kubernetes. Every command, every deployment, every debug goes through Kubernetes. Download, make executable, move to path. You know the drill. Version 1.31 ready. This is getting exciting. Here's where the magic happens. Our cluster blueprint. 1 control plane node, that's the brain running the API server and scheduler. 2 worker nodes, these are the muscle. Running your actual applications. Port 80 and 443 mapped so you can access services from localhost. This is a production-like setup on your laptop. This is it. The moment of truth. Run kind create cluster. Watch the magic happen, pulling images. Preparing all 3 nodes. Starting the control plane. Installing networking. Joining workers. Every checkmark is a win. And there it is, your Kubernetes cluster is live. You just did what takes hours on cloud providers, in under a minute. Let's see what we built. Kubernetes get nodes, look at that. 3 nodes, all showing ready status. Control plane plus 2 workers. Now check the system pods, core DNS for service discovery. etcd for storage. API server, scheduler, all the Kubernetes components are running. This is a real cluster, not a simulation. Now for Helm, the package manager for Kubernetes. Instead of writing dozens of YAML files, Helm lets you install complex applications with a single command using charts. 1-liner installation. Checksum verified. And we're ready. Helm is how we'll install Prometheus, Grafana, and more. Add the official repositories. Prometheus community has Prometheus and Alert Manager. Grafana repo has Grafana dashboards. Loki for logs. Tempo for traces. These are production-ready charts used by Netflix, Spotify, thousands of companies. Repo update pulls the latest versions. Now we have access to everything. Ingress controller time. This is your traffic cop. Instead of exposing every service separately, ingress routes based on URLs. Apply the kind optimized manifest. Then wait for it to be ready. When you see condition met, we can route traffic like pros. Let's organize. Create a dedicated namespace for observability tools. Namespaces are like folders, they keep things organized and isolated. All our monitoring tools will live here, clean and professional. Now the best part, let's prove this cluster works. Deploy Nginx with 1 command. Expose it as a service. Check the pods, look. Status. Running. Our Nginx is live. This isn't a demo. This is a real container serving real traffic. Port forward connects your laptop to the Kubernetes service. Now hit localhost 8080 and boom. Welcome to Nginx. Quote, that's a real web server. Running in a real container. On your real Kubernetes cluster. You built this. Let's clean up the demo, delete the deployment and service. Your cluster stays running, fresh and ready for the real stuff. Prometheus, Grafana, Loki, Tempo, that's coming next. Look at what you accomplished. In just 5 minutes, a 3-node Kubernetes cluster. Kubernetes configured, Helm ready, ingress routing traffic, And you deployed a real application. This is the same setup DevOps engineers use at top tech companies. You are not watching anymore, you're doing. Next video, we deploy the full observability stack. Prometheus for metrics, Grafana for beautiful dashboards, Loki for logs, Tempo for distributed tracing. Your cluster is ready, let's monitor everything. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment. What DevOps topic should I cover next? See you soon.